my country. All Indian, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of each stitch and variegated. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
And today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VII Sapphire. Today's national news is brought to you by K. Kavita of Grade-VII Sapphire. National news. National Deworming Day is being observed in India. Many schools and health centers will give free deworming tablets to children to keep them healthy. And today is also World Blessings Day, which celebrates healthy food like lentils and beans. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
And today's state news and sports news is brought to you by Deepa from Grade-VII Sapphire. State news. The Telangana government is opening a 120 agriculture college in Dikspalli. Sports news. India won its opening T20 World Cup match 2026 against by USA in 29 runs by Bombay. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Emprane Mokshitedi of Grade-VII Sapphire. Weather report. Minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 0%. Temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Condition clear, sunny and snowy day. Humidity 40 to 50%. Wind speed 11 km per hour. Rain precipitation 0 to 10%. Cloud covers very low, about 5 degrees Celsius. Thank you. This is the end of today's news bulletin.
Today's start is brought to you by S. Sapura from Grade-VII Sapphire. Third, science is a way of thinking, not just a subject. I repeat it again. Science is a way of thinking, not just a subject. Thank you. Have a thoughtful day ahead.
What is brought by K. Ramcharan of Grade-VII Sapphire. Gravity is the force by which the earth pulls object towards the center. Friends, please spell after me. G-R-A-V-I-T-Y. Gravity. Thank you. Have a good day.
The GK questions are brought to you by P. Harshakumar Reddy of Grade-VII Sapphire. Question for Grade-VII. What do we breathe for to alive? Oxygen. Yes, you pick the right answer and answer is oxygen. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. Which organ help us to think? Brain. Yes, you pick the right answer and answer is brain. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. What is the shape of earth? Yes, you pick the right answer and answer is spherical. Let us share them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. Who is known as the king of jungle? Lion. Yes, you pick the right answer and answer is lion. Let us all appreciate them. Open question number 2. What we call the baby plant? Yes, you pick the right answer and answer is seedling. Let us all appreciate him. Open question number 3. What is the room temperature? I will repeat it again. What is the room temperature? No, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Open question number 4. What do we call the study of living things? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is biology. Let us all appreciate him. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today facts are brought to you by Jeshwant of Grade-VII Sapphire. Fact number 1. The sun is a star. Fact number 2. Humans have sense. Fact number 3. The earth goes around the sun. Fact number 4. The moon does not have its own light. Fact number 5. The science helps us to solve the problems. Thank you.
I am also on the of Grade-VII Sapphire. Today I am going to speak about science. Science plays an important role in our lives. Science helps in transport, education, medicine and communication. Through science, we have mobile phones, computers and electricity. Science helps doctors to save lives. Students learn science to understand nature and universe. Science teaches us to ask questions and answer it. Thank you.